What's up, you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I wanted to give you an update on this house that we had purchased and we had renovated. Now we are finished with the renovations, and we're just gonna go on a quick little property tour. We're gonna go inside. This is one of the ones that I've been viewing and showing everybody updates on. So as you can see, we did only thing we did to this house was just paint the shutters. That's pretty much it. Just gave it a nice, decent look. Wanted to make it pop a little bit, and we painted the door yellow. And came inside and just gave it a soft touch of gray. And we had run HVAC. So these houses are small, and in all honesty, with them being so small, they really wasn't meant to have central heating and air. So my AC guy had to come in, and he pretty much created a space for the unit. And he's not done, but as you can see, he created a space for the unit. And it looks good, it feels good on the inside, it's blowing cold. Everything has turned out nice. We have a tenant moving in soon, and with the cabinets, we painted the cabinets. Just had those sanded down and painted. Install a new countertop for the kitchen is small, so we ended up installing an extra countertop for food for people to cook on. And right here you have the stove, and you have a washer and dry connect. Now this is a small home, small tiny home. That puts me in the mind of a small tiny home that was built back in the day. So it's an older home, but we dressed it up with new floors and paint. We kind of probably need to upgrade these just a little bit. Get that taken care of too. We'll have everything cleaned up. We have a tenant moving in on Saturday, so the pressure is on. But you gotta love it. Didn't take long to rent this one out. We didn't have to really advertise it much because it pretty much just took care of itself. These floors right here, they were already in when we bought the home, so we just kept those, and we added these vinyl floors right here. Now these are waterproof floors. This is why you see a lot of people use those. They are waterproof, and I'm gonna take you on a tour on the backyard. This yard is pretty big size. This is why I love single family homes, because they actually feel like a home for a lot of people. It's a nice backyard, good for entertaining. And we may change out this, we'll change out the screen door in the back. Get that taken care of. So yeah, everything turned out nice. And for you all that are asking, this house, I can't remember. I say 9,000 sometimes, and then sometimes I say 12. But what it was is we bought it from auction. So when you buy from auction, you have the sales price, and then you have the other fees. So I think with everything closing and everything, I think it came up to like $12,000, $12,500 or something like that. Then we turned around. Then we put another, end up putting another $7,500 in this. So we have a $7,500 tied up in this property right here, which brings us over to like a total of like what, 23,000? I don't know, something like that. But we rented this one out for $675 a month. That is a great ROI on your investment. You can't beat it, man. And it's so crazy because, people were asking how much you renting out for, and then the people in the area like, ain't nobody gonna pay $675, but we got it. All right, So thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel with your buddies. All right, peace.